Come here. What is wrong with you? Did I do anything wrong by accepting you? Are you possessed or something?
Ma, God forbid, I'm not possessed. I'm okay. I'm covered with the blood of Jesus, ma. Ma, I know what they tell you. That man, they deceive you. He don't like you. He call you old cargo, say you want sweet 16. So you know, I know what they talk now.
Does it even make sense to you? What are you saying?
Man, now you know they listen to me. You think they like long English? Keep quiet and listen to me, make a talk.
Are you mad? Are you asking me to keep quiet?
No. Sorry, man. No.
Who dey here? I want to buy something.
What do you want back? Come on.
Beauty. My grandmother said make you give me body pain medicine.
You know she's a person there. You don't get respect. Wait first.
No worry, settle down. Since my grandma said that, no worry. I say no worry.
No, I want to settle you first.
Worry. Let me tell you no worry, settle down.
I said I want to settle you first. Now you first come.
No worry, settle down. Yeah, beg, settle down. Don't worry. Settle down first.
Say now waiting.
Body pain medicine.
Only body pain medicine.
You give me change. I will come back. Thank you.
What do you want?
I see the file now. If I see I'm going to let you know.
You never see him?
I never see him. I see the check.
Yeah. Good.
I will talk to the person first. What do you want, ban?
No worries. What do
you want, ban? What do you want, ban?
So if I say I'm going to tell you, don't worry. Settle and
they check and not because if you
now they check. Now they check.
Say now what thing?
You say waiting. Now allow me change that for you. No, because I tell her may settle because when they talk anyhow. Now allow me change that for you.
But before you know what to define.
If I say I'm going to tell her, now you go tell me I want buy. Now you go tell me I want buy. Take your time.
Just go one. Just tell her the standing.
Okay, take your time. I'm not waiting at the fine. If I say I'm going to tell her.
Look for my shop and I will do that one.
See me, Marco. No, if you say no, because you say I can't
do rest.
You can't want to
this thing.
My Ambo don't finish you. I will give you the paracetamol. And
Madam, do fast. Now have a good time, don't be fast.
No, this I put up for this last carton.
Is it really? That's what you do for you. Give me change now. You say look at Oluebube, why not give me change?
Come back later now. The Oluebube fee come in the evening. Come back later.
I know one year.
Okay, they go and say they don't settle you. They go now.
Mind your business now.
Okay, they go, make they settle me.
Cry, I beg.
I beg rest.
I beg, go
okay, I don't see him.
See him for that up that place.
Okay, you, what do you want? That two people don't go, you see they find what you want.
No, kiss. Condom now, one buy now.
Condom, no go. And the condom is the beautiful.
You go say, I do no go say.
Now what they say care, and they see the care for this side, but not they say for this side.
You go say, you know they say.
I know they say.
Oh yeah, now chop am now. Now because say Oga my cousin, might make me dey come here. Chop am if now you go chop am. Chop am.
Okay, now because of this way you call the point am. If the person wants see, they want the hide thing. They find care, they find red thing no get name, Mugu. So, I know what they find. I mean just intentionally one day, I want to make you talk out with your mouth. I want to make it because I'm not too safe for this world. I'm not serious of the world. Just 1K. If you top kilometer or you take K drama, go watch a movie. 1K. K. Don't carry K leg, they find K drama. Idiot.
Madam. Madam, you get infection medicine. No be me, oh. Now my friend send me. She no dey here. I beg, I want the one way go work well.
Your friend send you to buy infection medicine.
Yes.
Infection medicine. This kind of infection medicine where you talk now. And they say the infection, don't bring the person down well. So where they talk like this. Let me say, whoever be the person where they take the infection don't already bring them down. So tablet no go fit solve. Tablet now go be 50-50. If it work, if it no work. The only infection medicine will go solve na injection.
Injection. Since she no dey now, if he give me, I go give her. You go tell me how she.
I know they do like that. Now me go treat you the injection.
No be me, oh, no be me. I don't tell you say no be me. Now my friend, she no dey here now.
Tell your friend say no be anybody go treat an injection. Now me go treat an injection. Tell her make she come here, make her observe and know the injection. What go treat am? You understand?
Oh yeah, wait now. No dey shout. Wait, make I call her. Make I call her. Make she call. Make I call her first.
Don't call her.
Madam. She talk say she no go fit come.
Tell her say me I no go fit give you the injection.
You no fit help me. Help me now. Help me. I beg. Just
You confuse me. You self they confuse me. Which one be help you? Now you are the took the injection. I've been your friend.
Calm down. Na me. No vex.
Okay, now you get the infection.
Na me get her.
Now you get the infection.
Me
because they like tell me say na your friend. Immediately you enter. I don't say that you get infection because you the smell. The person the smell they enter. You call the smell. Let me just enjoy am.
No vex now.
Because they like say na your friend carry infection. Now you carry infection.
No vex. Help
what
me.
kind of infection you carry?
No vex now. No vex.
Which kind of infection you? I don't say na abortion infection.
Calm down.
You don't go do abortion for where they dirty. I mean, I use your hand runner. We make you carry infection.
Calm down. Just give me the injection. I beg, help me.
I just know what to make you carry infection. So I go know the kind of injection that they give you. What to give you infection?
Madam, calm down now. Calm down now.
That's my face. They scratch.
Beauty, what did they happen?
Sorry, sir.
Calm down.
She want make her. She gets infection. She want make her treat her. So I go tell her say the tablet no go fit cure am. Say na injection. So now make her the answer. Make her know the kind of infection when they do. Make her know the injection what we give her.
Beauty.
Sir.
You know where they hear a voice from?
We dey talk normal. No, na Matan they carry voice. No, na Matan with them. Na Matan they carry and they go far.
Matan they carry your voice. They circulate everywhere. Eh? What is your problem? Eh? Why are you always embarrassing my customers?
I know they embarrass her, but just ask her. She say na her friend get the infection. I can't say tell your friend say na injection go pass, go where. She can't tell me say na she get am. I say wetin cause the infection. Make her now. So I go take check and treat am.
Beauty.
Sir.
Beauty.
Sir.
How many times did I call you?
2 times.
I never tell you see na this kind matter be my specialty. Eh? Why you no call me for phone? Since when you start to dey treat infection, you sabi chook injection, you sabi handle syringe. Yeah?
I make her the ask her, make her know the kind of infection she carry. So I go now, I go take handle am.
Now why you dey shout? They shout like say you dey quarrel with person. Yeah? Why you dey ask her? Now you want chook and injection? I want take treat am. Wetin you sabi? You don't forget your job for this place. Why you dey always embarrass my customers? They insult them anyhow.
I'm not embarrassed. Now she face that and she tell me say na her friend carry infection. Now she come tell me say na she carry am. Come dey confuse me. No, I'm not embarrass anybody.
Wetin be your own for the thing now? You want treat am? See where I dey hear your voice. Yeah? You know how many customers who I don't lose for this place because of you? See shop dey empty, no customer, nothing.
Oga, see, I know they do again. I know they buy again. I know they buy. This your gay, how wahala too much for her body.
Which one be this your girl? Wahala too much. No be start to the lie.
I don't want your.
Start to the lie now. You say na your friend.
I know they buy again.
Abeg,
But
no
you say
vex.
na your
Oga,
friend
no
get
worry,
infection.
no
When
worry.
na you get the infection, why you call the lie first?
I say
Why you want cause spoil work for me and my
Guilty.
oga?
I know they buy again.
It's
Oga,
okay.
no. I
That's
know they
what
buy.
they
I know
do.
they. I don't tire.
No
You get
vex.
wahala too much. I know they buy again.
She come and do like say that me be the bad person, but now she be the bad person. I no be bad person. I dey tell her something, she come dey lie give me. Now she come dey do like say na me be bad person. I no be bad person.
Bitch, wetin I do you? Wetin I do you now? Eh? All this medicine wey full this one, now you go drink am. You go come out dey fall sick. I want to do am. Eh?
Oga, I no dey do anything. All of them dey look me say I be small pikin. Why I go dey treat them? Why I go dey attend to them? Na make all of them dey find my trouble. I be dey innocent now.
You dey innocent since when you start to dey treat infection. What you customer call you? What you suppose call me? No be wetin I tell you. You no dey hear word. See as it don be like this, I no wan make you come out my shop. Go. I no wan see you
Her
again.
friend get infection. I come dey tell her make she call her friend.
Why you no call me? You sabi treat injection? You know how to use syringe? Eh?
I no call you because when you dey far, I no fit try come there
You two
come
waka
back.
go give me my pen. Give me my pen.
Sir,
Go.
abeg
No
na.
come if I see you here again, I go throw away you. Go.
Sir,
Dey go.
Na.
They go come out for here.
Na.
Which kind thing be this one now? You want to stop my business for me? I don't want to see you for here again, no. I go deal with you. Nonsense.
Come back here. Me don come up for me now. Come back here.
You can even see the thing where you dey sell since. Yeah? Nothing. See this book dey empty. No, nothing. Nothing. Make I see you here again, you go collect. A person go be bad luck for this place.
No problem. You see all these children will be saying anytime when I want pass here, when a hand must they always come touch this gate. This gate, when I go touch and finish, when I go run. The day I go catch una. The day I go catch una. Now you knock before?
Now me knock. You don't notice me. You seem not to see me.
Yes.
You know, you just dey look up.
Because of that, they expect bigger problem. All these ones, these streets, problem with the street, they come in big level. I don't know say they expect smaller one today. Who will they find?
I dey find your boss. I get appointment with your boss. He say make I come today.
You should be he say make you come today. My boss na man. No say my boss na woman. We should be he say make you come today.
Now you na dey talk now. Okay, let me break it down for you. Anybody when they pay your salary, that person na your boss. And I say he say, I don't say he say, I say he say make I come today.
Okay, he say. And come to think of it, you get appointments with my boss on what ground? As you dey like this. They tell you say would they do kindergarten?
Okay. Me I go leave. I get other places where they go. Your boss make I come today. Make I go do my own. I go leave.
My boss no get appointment with $10. You no get with Dangote. Yeah. Now you like this, you won't come get appointment with.
Oh yeah, bye bye. If she come, I go tell her say na the gate man chase me come out.
Don't they look for how you want to implicate me now? Wait, make I go tell and say somebody someone picking day here.
You don't need go tell am. Just open the make I enter go meet them. I get appointment with them. I tell you.
They send you. You shouldn't be open gate make you enter go. I don't go tell and say somebody day here.
Before you go come outside, I go don't go. Bye bye.
Oh yeah, they come. But see, be at your best behavior. If you do him.
Okay, come on for road. Let me go inside. Where is she?
But you told my gatekeeper you have an appointment with me.
And the appointment be this now. I beg ma, help me. Help my life. And I want to work. I feel do anything. Sweep house, wash clothes, wash plates, cook. Name them. Please.
I don't know you. Besides, I don't need any domestic worker.
You go need though. You go need this house too big. One day stress yourself to do all the work. No, you need somebody. You need somebody. I beg, ma. I beg.
I can see you really need this job.
You don't know how much I need them. I never chop better food since money. I don't want free food. I want work for the money.
Well, there's no problem. You will start work, but I would need to see a family member of yours that can stand as a guarantor for you.
I don't only this my wicked and she know if you come, I beg. You go fit help me go meet them yourself. I beg. She know if you come.
Well, stand up. You don't need to kneel down. You start work, alright? But you have to go home and get more of your clothes.
Now my clothes be this. I come prepared. This.
All your clothes in here?
Yes, ma. How many clothes I want wear? All of them.
Okay.
There.
Let me take it to your guest room.
Thank you so much, ma. God will bless you, ma.
I'll show you. Let's go. Come this way.
Oh. See now.
this small girl go to do inside? We never come outside till now. Let this thing not be waiting at the think. Like he not be waiting at the think. How small picking go come gate, come tell me say you get appointment with madam. As small as she is, you get appointment. And who get appointment come work out with bag? Ah! Abi madam don't even born for us. I don't know. You not be batting. Now if you don't want to go, just tell us that I will do what aside. We'll do away match and now the result be this. No, we don't say in our family. How you go just go inside? You know they come outside. And madam self, I never see. And I know they hear noise. Make you know they say they use this girl, they won't set me up for this work. You know, as a chief security officer, I'm not supposed to relax. Because I will fail all the security men for this country. If I fit dey here, small pikin wey dey like this, wey be say I fit born like three of them, fit deceive me, enter here, do anything here, still come out. They go tell me say I don't fail for this my career. I'll go inside there and find out what the problem is. Whoever that girl is, I go fish out today. Imagine. Person wey get appointment with madam, they like who never small pikin with bag. And since we enter, nobody know whether madam they even they talk and or she they talk. Nobody they hear. Madam, stop there now. You know, so you get waiting small children go they do elderly person. God in heaven now go they cry on your behalf. So as you small like this, you don't even get respect. You come this gate, come stop me.
What happened? Why? How can I help you, Mr. Gatesman? What is it? Why are you stopping me?
Now me they blow grammar for. Now me they speak English for now. You get liver, enter this place, stop me, enter here. You don't tell me say they look for work. You tell me say I get appointment with your madam.
Mm-hmm.
Who give you the sense?
As I don't get the appointment now, I don't come find work. They give me work. So, okay, you want me to reduce my steez and composure? I can't tell you say I work and they fine. No, now wisdom I use. I can't tell you say I get appointments. God can't do them. As I enter inside, beg her for work. She give me work. Oh. So how you take they pay you? Now how you take concern you?
So you get steez and composure?
Yes.
On the cleaning yes. Ground and there.
Yes, but let me tell you. You know say one leg I see you stand for this house. But the time one go balance well. The time one go balance well, relax for this house. You go know between me and you who get level pass. Me and you who get power, authority pass. Try me and see.
I go take better for you. You know go better for you. I've never been ready.
Honey, good morning. I actually made breakfast, but I didn't want to disturb you because you were sleeping.
Where are you going?
I'm going to work. Today is Monday.
Oh, I thought today is weekend. Will you get inside and take those clothes off?
Why?
Are you asking me why? How many times have I told you I don't want you to go to work again? Not with that your useless friend that doesn't have a man.
Honey, I know. I understand. But company demands that I give them at least 3 months notice. Please.
Oh, I see. Let's see who the man of this house is. Cross that door and you will see what I will do to you.
John, doesn't tell me say for this life. So I go do for this kind of house. What's I go talk? I'm not gonna believe her. Nobody will even believe her. See me. God don't change my story from nothing to something. Even if I never get to that something, but at least I don't come out from nothing. Hey! Daddy monster! Daddy! Thank you. Thank you for everything. I love you so much. You be the best. Hey! Who are you? Who are you?
Who are you and what are you doing here, young girl?
Who am I? You, who are you? Okay, who are you? Why am I enter gate? Peter, they get when you enter. You be kidnapper, you be thief.
How did you get into this house? Who are you and what are you doing here?
Okay, if I open my eye, come on for this place. Get out. 1, 2, get out. 3, get out. 4, get out. Peter! I saw person go there inside this house. That thief go carry am. Kidnapper go carry am. I don't understand now. I dey do karat. Wait oh. Now Peter plan be this. I never enter and I don't dey plan to kidnap me. Hey. Don't reach to mount my guard. Peter!
Peter! Peter!
Okay, welcome, sir.
How many times will you greet me? Who is that girl inside?
Ha! Okay, madam just bought herself a new vibrator.
What do you mean?
She was blade now.
Peter! Who is that girl inside there? That is the question.
I mean, say, madam, say, that girl as is small rich so. Say, now that girl go to clean and that girl go to cook. I want to wonder. Small picking like this. How a hand go even take rich sink?
But we'll never discuss. It's okay. Go back to your duty post.
Okay, she vibrate give you.
Peter, go back to your duty post. I can't stand that girl.
You will pick up your phone and place that call.
Hello, babe. Babes, how are you? You sound so dull.
No, I'm fine.
You know what? I'm driving. I'm a few minutes away from the office. When we say we'll talk, okay?
I actually called you to tell you that I am quitting.
You're what? Are you kidding?
You know, it's our decision, yes. Collins and I mean, we are trying to have a baby, so I need to reduce stress, yes.
You know what? Like I said, I'm driving. When we see, we'll talk about it. What is wrong with this girl? She knows the company rule. She's not supposed to take me unaware. She was supposed to give me notice. What is this? Quitting?
Good. I would not want you to go to her house to explain anything. You owe no explanation. Am I communicating?
Why are you doing this to me? Tell me, Collins, why are you doing this to me? You have your own business going on. You are a boss of your own. Why don't you want me to do anything?
Meet me in the bedroom.
baby. How are you? You missing me? Don't worry, I'll be with you shortly, okay? Alright, bye.
Well, just place an advert and more workers will come.
It's stressful. And you know my HRO is on maternity leave. She's not around.
You know, my problem is, why do you give your workers so much liberty? Because I don't know why somebody will quit without a notice.
Well, her husband loves her so much, he doesn't want her to stress herself. Maybe he has a better offer for her.
That's their business. But mine is that I don't want anybody to stress you. So if you need anything, just call my name. I'll be there.
Oh, I love you, baby. You're the best.
I love you too.
Madam. Madam. Good evening. Chairman. Madam.
Yes, what is it?
I want to go sleep, so I want to know whether I go want anything before I sleep.
I don't want anything. I can help myself out.
Okay. Chairman.
You think it's funny?
I'm used to her. That's how she is. She's always funny.
Babe, where did you get that girl from?
Hi, love. Good morning.
Good morning, sugar. I thought you were having breakfast.
I have a meeting to attend, so I have to rush to work.
All right, no problem.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Bro, what's up? Amadeo. Calm down. I didn't sleep at home last night. I went to see my girl. Yeah. No, God forbid. I will never settle down for that girl. It's not possible. You know now, Gigolo. See, this is 001 Gigolo. I'm here for the money. Anything outside the money, I'm done. Love no be for me. You know, I don't do love. Calm down. I will link you up to one, relax. But I have enough gist for you because, Omo, I had it all through the night. So I'm stressed out. I will go and take my breakfast, have a nap. I'll be coming home. So I'll call you once I'm home. Get out of my phone, bro.
Why would you ask my worker to quit?
It was a joint agreement.
But I hear you say your worker. My lovely wife here is up to the level of being her own boss. I just want to pamper her and give her this baby girl lifestyle. Is it too difficult to ask from your company?
It's okay. Am I jealous?
Why should you? Anyway, I just want her to have enough rest. Take good care of herself. We sincerely apologize for the short notice.
I'm sorry.
She actually refused to tell you though.
No issues. I'll adjust. I just want to be sure she's fine. From the look of things, I think you're taking good care of her.
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah, as you can see, we're doing great.
Anyways, I have a lot of things to attend to. I have to get going.
Okay. Let me see you off.
Any need?
Yes. She's my friend.
Okay,
yes.
you're right.
Thank you.
Right, thank you for coming.
Right, bye.
Come. What are you doing here? I've been in the dining waiting for my food.
Which food? Which food? Now that food go kill you. Why you disturb my sleep? I don't go sleep for you. You want to deceive my mother? Which one? You mad? You deceive my mother say you like him. Just I don't know.
Where did you get that information from?
Why won't I get it? Why won't I get it? For my madam now, for her mind now, she go to say she don't see her husband. No, say so they slave. We want use them. Dump am.
Will you shut up?
You shut up.
Shut up and get there. Don't give me food.
You no go chop any food for this. I no go beat me. I yes, they tell your friends say I even record them. I go show my madam. You tell your friends say my madam na old man. Say you just want chop her money. So you should not get any money.
I will clap you down until they sign you into dwarf community. I will fling you out of this house.
Fling
watch
me.
and see.
Fling me. Now me go expose you. Let's watch and see again. Go watch
You are
and
talking
see.
back at me.
Yes. I go up. Now me go up your nyash. I go expose you for this house. Try any nonsense now. Try any. You don't even know say I put camera for you. I record. Leave me alone. Where my phone make I show you what's in I record. So madam, come. One beat me. One beat me. I don't blame you. Beat me now, may you kill me. Beat me, may you know whether my speed don't go torment you till you die.
Why didn't you tell me? You just want to take advantage of our friendship.
I am sorry. I know you're going to feel this way.
You were supposed to give me notice. Even if you cannot give me 3 months according to the company rule, at least give me a month so I can prepare myself. Now I have to start doing my job and yours.
I understand. Okay, so what will happen? I will help you look out for someone else, okay?
Please do, because I don't want to stress myself.
Sure, I will. Bye and drive safe, okay? Okay.
So, you invited your friend, right? For what exactly?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. She was just worried and there was no way I could have prevented her from coming. If not, she would be suspicious, please.
Let me warn you. Not to try anything again with me. Next time she comes here, metal your ground. Do you understand me?
Yes.
You don't. You should count yourself lucky that you're married. Let me ask you, with all the money your friend has to her name, no husband, no family, is that the kind of life you want to live? You better behave yourself and put some senses into your head. Nonsense.
By accepting you? Are you possessed or something?
Ma, God forbid, I'm not possessed. I'm okay. I'm covered with the blood of Jesus, ma. Ma, I know what thing they tell you. That man, they deceive you. He don't like you. He call you old cargo, saying 1 sweet 16. So you know, I know what thing they talk now.
Does it even make sense to you? What are you saying?
Man, now you know they listen to me. You think they like long English? Keep quiet and listen to me. Make a talk.
Are you mad? Are you asking me to keep quiet?
No. Sorry, man. No vex. No vex.
I know how long it took me to get a sincere man like Dave. I will not have you ruin things for me. Since you have refused to be respectful, first thing tomorrow morning you are leaving this house. I'm going to pay your salary, you're going to pack your things, and you will get out.
Man, they threaten me. I don't say it's a joke, no worry. It's a joke, but I know what thing they talk.
I am not joking. First thing tomorrow morning, get out of my house. Nonsense.
I know. If I talk like this, it go be like me. I don't know what thing they talk. I know what I dey talk. That man don't like you. But last time, he go see dey right. Wait. I bet this man don't use you, my madam. You say don't hold on with you because I don't understand this kind of thing. Person they see bad thing with clear eyes. She see call am right thing. You dey see say person dey enter fire. You dey tell her say she dey enter fire. She too dey see say she dey enter fire. But she go tell you say fire now swimming pool. What will you be that? And they don't want to sack me. They fire me, make her go. Work will never start. When they fire person. Morning, the breakfast is already.
I don't understand. I thought I asked you to leave.
Yes, ma, but no be so they take pursue person now. Me and you no get any agreement say you go pursue me. And you never ask me whether I get anywhere where I go stay.
And how is that my business?
It's your business because I dey work for you and now you won't pursue me.
You know what? I don't have your time right now. I have somewhere very important to go to. When I come back, I will sort you out.
No problem. Ma, chop first. Yeah? Chop, make you for calm down. Good character won't do. I know the good. We use good character to change everything. Let's see if this place washing so we'll really make it. We'll get ready for this house.
I sent in a food tray for your boss. Did he receive it?
Well, I received it on his behalf. He's on a trip.
A trip? You mean he's not back since then?
So you mean if he has something important to do, he will have to stay back and wait for you?
Why are you sounding like this? Why are you being harsh to me?
Listen now. This is the nicest of me that you can see. Like I said, he's not around. Period.
Please. Please!
What is wrong with you? Eh?
Please take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital.
Let me just call Collins immediately.
No, please don't call him. Just take me to the hospital. You can call him later.
How do I carry you now? Hey. Sorry. Sorry. Your slippers.
Alright, thank you. Can you imagine that witch? She had the guts to take my wife to the hospital without my consent. A very expensive hospital at that she knows I cannot afford. Whatever she does, her friend will be the one to suffer it. What kind of nonsense is this? Without my consent, you just take my wife to the hospital and you want me to pay the bills. Let me head to the hospital. She sounds so urgent. Let me see exactly what is the problem. No, I just don't know what kind of a stupid friend my wife is having.
Are you kidding me? What in God's name are you still doing here?
I'm sorry I'm still here. I figured out that you were upset. The way you were talking to me in a harsh tone, I decided to allow you have some rest. Then we can have a conclusion.
You know what? I've come to a conclusion that all you girls are just running after my boss. And you know the funny part, the young man is not even interested in any of you. Let this man be.
No, I'm not among them. Please, I love him genuinely. Please help me. Please.
I hear you.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
Of course you know why I'm here.
Come here!
What is it? Why will you drag me?
Don't you have sense inside your head? You see the both of us here, and you're going inside to do what?
Come on. Your boss will be pleased to see me.
Come here, madam, come here.
Don't drag me!
You don't have sense inside your head. You see both of us standing here and you're going inside to do what?
Of course, your boss will be pleased to see me.
Please, come here!
What is wrong with you?
My boss is not around. So if you know the way you walked in here, just leave.
Old cargo.
Why are you laughing? And who are you calling old cargo?
Are you not?
Silly thing.
Are you not? Answer me.
Of course I am not!
No. Here. It will not happen here. See what will happen. Let's go outside and talk about these things. Yeah?
Excuse me.
No,
you should
now,
know I am your boss.
I know.
Samson,
You are.
you don't have to do
I
this
know.
now.
You are the favorite.
And you still have the
Let's-
mouth to talk.
Why was I talking?
Let me
I
tell
was
you.
here before you came.
Benit, come with me. Lizzy, come. No, let's do this
Samson,
outside.
you should be the
I am
one going.
considering you. Considering, yes.
What? I was here
Wait,
before
let's
she
talk.
came.
Let's talk outside.
Alright, let's talk.
Hey! Fire! Everywhere. Sam! Favorite. Consider.
What can I do you for?
I want me to help me do something. That Otondo man that used to follow Madam up and down. You know in house.
What did happen now?
You know in house.
Hey! I said, what did happen? I got to begin to give you address like that.
You cannot go talk with happen now. You come say no house. Okay, Madam, they vex for me because of the man. I want go in house, go beg him. You know in house.
Yes. I took him. You no go ever fit come to me. Begin carry food in the morning. You bring food early. Serve me fried yam and egg, sauce. You serve me on time. This afternoon, before I go say Jack, food don't day. I talk and say you no fit serve me this thing for nothing. You must need something. Devil, you give from this hand and collect from this.
You know say, it always make me the vex. It always make me the and if I dey vex for you, I know they feel control am. It always make me the vex. I don't like am. Which one say I give you food on time today because I want to ask you for something. Say I know they give you food before.
You dey serve me on time before? You dey serve me on time. You. If they say hunger, now human being, hunger for don't just you choke you, make you just die here. Die here.
Mouse.
Oh, I know the house. What happened?
Give me direction.
Make I give you direction to the man's house.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Direction to the man's house, the Indian film. Because he far well. First, you could just enter house, bath well. As you bath well, you wear your clothes. As you wear your clothes,
But that one big wetin I
you go
say.
keep quiet. Okay, you sabi road like that. Now you no go since. Why you come to me? I dey talk to you, they talk.
Talk fast.
Thank you. So if you bath finish, you now enter your sitting room, sit down, take tea, drink first. So when you drink the tea now, you now come out outside gate. check whether you go see keke. Enter the keke. As you enter the keke, waka straight. As you just enter the street, no, they look right or left. As you just go that junction, stop there. Look like this. Phew. You see that road? No enter there. If you enter there, what you go do? You no good. Stand there for like 2 hours. When you stand there now, you go see one red flag. When we say that place, they sell dog meat. Follow the road like this. Fia. As you just follow the road, no look anywhere. You get one chemist. Where they sell, even for that chemist, now they sell foodstuffs inside. Enter there. As you just enter there, sit down there small. Then I will now call my friend to ask. Make you remind me where the address.
Where food. When you come poo. You no go ever get sense again for your life. I no blame you. Now myself I blame. Now me carry myself, call you, call they ask for direction. Now me I blame. Idiot. I no blame you at all. I blame myself.
Normally, you're supposed to blame yourself.
I blame myself for coming here to ask you this question because you don't get sense.
Me, I blame
you. You use me to play.
Me, I blame you too. For coming.
You use me to play.
I blame you too.
You use me to play.
And they use me to play.
Idiot.
Idiot.
Tomorrow if you chop food, you don't say my name, no be.
No use food play. No use food play.
Tomorrow if you chop food for this house, no say my name will be Beauty.
No play with
you go bet am.
I get osa.
You go bet am.
I get osa.
That osa go kill you. He go kill you.
Beauty. Oh yeah, come and give the real address.
Don't play things now.
Beauty. If you play with my food, I play with your life. I'm talking Arusha.
I'm with you. Okay, fine. Okay. I like the plan. Okay, that's nice. Just like I told you, I'm not settling down for Amanda. She's not my kind of woman. I'm just in love with her money. Yeah. But I've said that countless times. See, I want to draw a proposal and I want you to help me to do that. Make it look professional. So once I present it to her, she will have no reason to reject it. And after that, I will call it a wrap and move to the next client. Definitely, that's my plan. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Just make it worth it and I will give you a percentage.
I love with my mother money. I love with my mother money.
Hey!
You know, like my mother and her money, like if you use her finish, she go enter another client.
Come on. Now you my village people send? Are you a monitoring spirit to my life?
You see you. You just want to use my once I use that finish, it's a wrap. Once you send the money, it's a wrap.
I thought I asked Amanda to send you packing. What are you still doing here?
Okay, now you be the heartless human being. What tell her make she pursue me? Now you. Now you Abi? As you don't tell her make she pursue me. Bara cherem. I go expose you. You go bet. As you open my tell her make she pursue me for this house, I must expose you.
So you are threatening me?
I don't get time to threaten person. What you know they tell you na pure. As I tell you, that's what I go do. I know they threaten person. Threatening na when I tell you I don't do it. I'm gonna use and they blackmail you, but what you know they tell you na pure truth. As I tell you, that's what it go happen. And they go tell them everything. And I talk say you don't like her. I would. What you want to do me? Anything where if I die, you go die for prison. Now Gigi.
I will make sure you leave this house.
Me and you go know who go leave. Go better. Now my mother want use to do Yahoo boy. Client. Waiting. Go chop and finish. You go enter another client. You go bring another paper. You go bring paper, make it professional. So that if she say I go look professional, send you money. You go do this one, you go talk. You go talk. Nonsense. Witch. Sassy B.
What happened? What's going on?
So I can't give you a simple instruction and you follow. Yet you want me to marry you.
Where is all this coming from?
I can remember I asked you to send that little witch out of this house. But you refused. I came here today and she insulted me, telling me that I'm here because of your money.
She said that again? What is wrong with this girl? What does she know about love and money?
You can ask her that, but this is where I draw the line.
Baby, I'm sorry. I asked her to go. I'm surprised she's still around. Actually, I left the house very early because I heard Betty was ill. I was thinking when I come back, I'll address the issue. I'm so sorry.
You can keep that explanation to yourself. I'm not interested.
Dave. Beauty!
You are very, very stupid. You are the stupid one here.
I said you are stupid.
Oh, you think he will choose you over me? Is that what you think? Again? He will not do that.
In case you don't know, I have already been chosen.
It's a lie.
Just look for a space for yourself because you're not even wanted to be here.
Wait, sorry. Listen, my boss is the ladies' man. Because he's rich and single. But among all the girls that have been throwing themselves on him, you both are something else. Stubborn. And you have refused to give up. You girls should quit.
Samson.
My name.
Do you know who I am? You cannot throw me out just like that, based on who I am.
Whoever you are, you should be in your house and let the man do the chasing.
Just ignore this old cargo.
You are the old cargo.
You look at the one that is
look
old
at you, me like a rejected sacrifice.
And we still choose me over you.
Wait!
Never.
Listen, before the count of 5, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the both of you should get out of this.
You are the bigger poster.
I said you are the stupid one.
You are the bigger one that you think you can snatch my man away from me.
If I do
You will not
get up again. You silly thing.
Don't try this again. You will choose me and choose me and choose me.
Choose you and choose you.
Is this your space? It is not.
Baby, I'm sorry for what happened the other time.
It's okay. I'm fine now. So how is Betty?
Betty. I'm beginning to see reasons why her husband doesn't want her to work. She cannot manage stress.
Well, that's none of my business. Now that she's off work, I think you should try as much as possible to avoid them.
Come on, baby. You know she's my friend. Anyways, enough of her. I have good news for you.
Woo! I like good news. You sent me money.
Must it be about money all the time?
Okay, fine. Talk to me.
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Mm-hmm.
Are you kidding?
Why would I be joking with such a thing? I'm pregnant for you. It's real.
Come on, babe. We did not talk about this.
How am I supposed to know I'll get pregnant? Come on now. You should be happy for me. After all, we're getting married.
Okay, fine. Do you know what? I want to go and see a friend. When I come back, we can talk about this. I'm coming, babe. Yeah. Relax. When I come back, we'll talk about it.
hope this is not... I hope what Beauty said is not trying to come to pass.
It's trying to come to pass, man. See what's in I talk? Now run, you know they come back again. What in you do now? Don't go swipe. Escape you. Don't escape.
No, he said he's coming back. He wants to go and see his friend.
That friend is important pass the level you carry for him. Pikin where you supposed dey happy say he come. He say he want go see friend. You suppose know now by reaction. You suppose know. As you tell and say you carry belle, is a person who love you suppose really go there, you know. But as you tell her like this now, the way he squeeze his face like shit. Suppose tell you say this man dropped something. For the talk we could be like sad. I don't know what's not they talk. See? What's not?
You are leaving it up to the things I'm joking with you.
Ma, please, I know what's not the thing. And the thing is, this guy know like the person gonna talk, you gonna shout. You know nice now. I just want to help you. Your village no one make I help you. Calm down.
Are you mad? Are you talking to me like that?
Calm down now. Calm down. This motor you gonna vex. I know what's not they talk. I hear am as they telling friends say you be old cargo, you be this one. I know what's not they talk, Oma. Hey, come down. I like you. No, I want
It's obvious you're looking for someone to kill you, but I won't kill you. Hold on. Don't worry. You see.
You cannot say you dey vex. I want go. I go. But I want make you help me do one thing. I beg.
What nonsense is that?
Okay. To prove you wrong, just invite that guy come this house. Tell him say you get belly. No see him reaction.
I should tell him I'm pregnant.
Yes.
What do you hope to achieve with that?
Just in reaction. As you tell him, just dey observe him face. Anything where you do, he go tell you whether you like you or he hate you. What's not they talk? Hey, madam, no cry you. Better make you no cry. Stand strong. Wear your bulletproof. Nothing they enter, nothing they share. Prepare yourself. Because this heartbreak, it go loud. It go too loud. It go choke. So get ready for the heartbreak. Sorry. Take heart. Take heart. Oh! See him. If you come back this house, you go no say he love you. If you don't come back, he don't love you. See ya. Men. Fear them.
But what's up? I just received the worst news of my life today. In fact, right now that I'm talking to you, I have the urge to block Amanda. Bro, do you believe she's pregnant? I'm serious. She is pregnant. Man, I'm short of words. I am not cut out for this. It's not a laughing matter. I am not. I am not ready to have a baby. Moreover, I don't even love her to that extent. I'm just here for the money. Anything aside from the money, I'm out. I tell her I be lover boy. This is my line of work. This is what I do for a living. I don't come here, come babysit or come. I don't. See, the truth of the matter is what? I just left her house and I'm not sure I'm going back there. I'm not sure I'm picking her calls anymore. I am done with this. I am coming straight to you. In fact, meet me at the lounge. Meet me at the lounge.
No man! Eh? You have to go! What are you doing here? You just barged into someone's house uninvited. Now, leave my house. I don't want to see you here ever again.
Life is already too hard. So sometimes we need to smile to ease off some stress. Anyways, I'm sorry I won't be going with you. I need to rush home and meet my husband. He should be missing me by now.
As usual, Mrs. Married Woman. Your glasses is fine. I've been looking at it.
Oh, really?
Let me see. I just want to see the brand.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. What happened to your eye?
Oh, this? Is it that obvious? Anyways, I actually fell off the staircase last night.
Oh.
Yes, my husband was really mad at me that I wasn't careful.
Sorry.
No problem.
Look at the black beneath your eye. It looks like a punch.
No.
Have you seen a doctor yet?
Yes, I did. I did that this morning before coming.
Sorry.
No problem, it's fine.
Take. Yeah. You really need to be careful.
Sure, I will. So, I need to start going.
Alright, bye. The doctor.
I did that.
How come I did not suspect all this while? I could have. But she's always covering up with her sweet mouth and giving her husband too much accolades. Look at who I am praying for her kind of marriage. I never knew she is suffering and smiling. Men can be so wicked. How are we going to know the right person for goodness sake? This is so exhausting. It's okay. Betsy, I cannot believe you are suffering.
Yes, I am going through a lot. But I don't know how to go about it. I don't know how to explain to anyone that I am suffering because everyone believes that I have the best marriage and the best husband. I don't know how to go about it.
But Betsy, I am your good friend. If you cannot confide in me, who else will you confide in?
I am sorry. I am deeply sorry, but I don't know how to explain my suffering. I don't know.
It's okay. You'll be fine. I don't know how to assure you, but I know everything will be okay. Alright?
How? Amanda, tell me when. I am losing myself. I don't know how to do it again. When? I'm tired.
Come. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Where are you coming from?
Good evening. I went to see Amanda.
Gone there to seek for useless advice that does not exist. She's not married. Do you want to join her in a singlehood?
No, that's not what happened.
If that is not what happened, then tell me what happened.
Collins, let this be the last time. Let it be the last time you will raise your hands on me. Don't ever try it.
You referring to me? Oh, I see. You have grown wings. You now have the guts to talk back at me, right?
Collins, I am warning you for the last time. Don't push me, Collins, don't! Don't ever raise your hands on me. I am warning you, don't try it.
I think it's high time I count myself out of the people that God destined to marry. I don't know what to do anymore. I gave Dave all that he wants, but he chose to pay me back this way. If Beauty didn't come up with his plan, how would I have known that he doesn't have a good plan for me at all? He is actually seeing me as a sugar mommy that he is going to make fortune from. I am so disappointed in myself that because of love, I fell for this.
Madam, I don't cook finish. I come down cook this one well so that it goes sweet you. Oh, food done ready. Madam, I know say you dey hear me. See, make you not to bother you. Oh, my fine madam. You get what they call Ogbu. Osa. You dey real. If you no chop, he go attack you. Don't do this thing to yourself. Oh, come and chop. My madam. My mom, I beg, make a dish am. Madam, this thing wey you dey do yourself no good. You no good at all. This thing wey dey allow love dey do you, e no good. I beg na help yourself. Oh. I beg. I don't want to make anything happen to you, my mom. I beg. Make a dish. Child. Love. Love. Oh.
Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. That's what the answer beauty is supposed to be fine. But in your own case now, you go come they do like say God no try for your own case. You come they keep your face like Abu will be saying they don't pound down too much. Will be say see this I. What happened? Why you carry face like this? What happened?
No, that will do you. As you leave madam like this, madam they useless.
Useless.
No be that kind useless. Okay, no sir, say madam they useless. Like she know they to get herself again.
No, you cause am. No, you cause am. No, you pursue am.
No, me cause am. I like why I cause am, but the thing now be say madam no they get herself again. She they just they. Be like say she don't they run mad small.
You say you like how you take pursue am. So you like him as you run leave madam.
Yes, madam go find another man marry now. Find another better man.
See this one. Hey, see this one. You think people, all the family boys like us still there? You think all these responsible men like us now still the streets? We are no more. If you enter street now, now only me and others. Yes. You don't go see people like us like this. You think it's easy when madam get enter street? You think say they the street again? It is a men like us still the street again. Responsible men, husband material. You don't go find us again. We don't finish. It is easy. If man mental street now, you don't even feel fine. Equal to me. They tell me this easy.
You know, say, ever since I don't come this house, I don't feel remember how many times I don't tell you say you no get sense. And if na person wey wan get sense true, as I dey tell you repeatedly say you no get sense, you no suppose dey enter your mind say you no get sense so that you go dey correct yourself, but you no get sense. You no want correct yourself.
I see.
You dey call yourself fine man, responsible man, abi?
You know they see the shape.
Only your pot belle go tell you say your future no clear at all. Only your pot, all this your belle. Suppose don't whisper to you say, oh boy, I had the head no clear, oh. Maybe find something to do, oh. You know, I never tell you. Come cut this your baby, Adam now, under, like this now, Adam. I swear, go turn for that Christmas. You don't know. You know, you give yourself hope. You don't know. Mugu. They call some people, you go jump out, enter.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You see, one person just leave the comfort of himself, come begin go play with dog. No be ordinary dog, self. No be all these ones where they back this big man dog where they back. Oh, what? Now those bingo where they back. Oh, what? And their tail go up. Now the raw person dirty so. I don't come now. Now me carry myself come near you. Now make they rub me dirty so. If they say I don't come here, if you rub me dirty, you know if you try. So I don't blame you.
As you come, as you say if nobody say you come, I'm not gonna be dirty. As you come, what you can do? Now you stress the follow yourself dirty now. You come, gonna talk. Too much talk. I don't like men when they talk too much. If you talk too much, you are not a man, you are a baby. Go and sit down one place. Say you are responsible as some man. Mugu. As you come, see my face, say I squeeze face like this. You know, but scan and say, how far? Why your face dey moody like this? Now they talk, carry the one when they ask you, they talk. Before you go know, you go talk waiting, they don't ask you.
Thank you. I suppose come meet you, tell you, say, why your face dey moody like this? As my girlfriend. Yes. Abi, you know, no say na people when they in love. Or even people when don't make up for life. Now then they use that kind of language. Baby, waiting make your face dey moody like this.
Easy, man. Jesus. Easy, man. Don't go. Wait, man. Man, they calm down now. They calm down.
You keep quiet. I don't want to hear your voice again. Just keep short.
You don't do. Because of that gold digger, stupid love way they love one stupid man, you will come to kill yourself. No kill yourself now. If you find girl, but we can help you. Yeah, come here, go upstairs, yeah? Come here, you go change. Wait, I want to carry leg now. Peter! Ma, help me now. Oh, no, go. Peter! Ma, you go sleep here. Make I come on, you make you go lie down. You get strength. Okay. You sleep here, you go back. Where is it? No, we do now. That the last one, but this.
Usband ne ed. Usband ne ed. What's it with this?
Who named this thing on the head? Who named on the head?
What's it with this?
Husband needed.
Husband needed.
Yes.
Remove this thing from here.
Why?
What do you mean by now you need a husband?
You know what I put her?
Why you go put her? Why you go bring husband needed?
You know what?
You don't need to marry.
Why you gonna ask me a question? Anything what they do for this, you don't have the right to question me.
You mean in here?
You understand? Don't question my order in this house.
This place where you paste this thing, now my office. And I have the right to tell you, say, remove it or put it.
And you know who put her? You know who said I should put her?
Who said make you put them?
Now madam say make her put her.
Madam don't create, sorry. Why madam go tell you, say, make you
If
put?
you get mind, if you get moral, you get power, you get everything, come out them. Then madam come back, no see am. You know they say madam boyfriend don't leave and go. As he leave and go, now madam need another husband. Because they make her put this in for her so that another husband, just your husband go come, responsible man go come. Make me check him out. Now me gonna do the interview. You know get sense.
They don't advertise husband like Okrika.
Make she come back, no see am.
You don't reach like this. Husband needed. Make I even ask myself this simple question. Oh. So they don't rule me out as a man. Man go live inside house, cross this gate. They look for husbands outside. Waiting that they do for here. Am I not a man? Eh? Husband needed. You never even ask me, are you interested? If you just tell me, Peter, will you marry me? Let me tell her, let me think about it. No problem. What? No matter how you advertise this thing, men scarce. The few good men are just us. Only the live waiting you go find for two. Men scarce, so. If you see any good person like me again.
So what is your name?
My name is Whiskey.
Your name is Whiskey. You don't find another name use lie. Now Whiskey, you and Whiskey are mates.
Whiskey is my mentor, and I need
Whiskey
to
is your mate.
Yeah, I need to bear his name. He's my mentor, and I need to bear his name. Yes, my mentor. Yeah, my mentor. So I need to bear his name, and when I meet the woman of my dream, we're going to travel around the whole world and enjoy it together. Okay?
You don't say you still be small boy. You define marriage.
You know, I'm a full grown up man.
Because
Okay?
you see small beer for your face today, it just say you don't reach to marry. If you see my madam, you no go fit stand.
Okay?
Okay, get out. Shift back, make I see person wey stand. Why be say people wey come today now, people wey know too well. I dey find matured men wey carry money, carry car. All this mugu, wetin be your own name?
My name is Amos, aka Mr. Benz.
Wetin you see for that gate before you enter?
I see husband needed.
You see boy needed. We tell you say we need boy.
I don't understand. I'm a full grown up man. Look me now. Full grown up man. I see to prove to you I dey drive Benz. See my car park at home, but I decided to use leg walker to find woman who I go marry.
They find woman where you go marry with your chin past the face.
I don't understand.
They find woman where you go marry with your smelly body. You dey find woman where you go marry. I tell you say this place now where they train one boy.
Yeah, no insult me.
Come on, shut up, make her talk. My madam went there. Just say I put that thing for that outside to insult my madam. Only you na insult my madam. You just say that thing na joke and the joke here. Anybody will go enter inside this place and go, will be better person. That person go collect something. Punishment before you get out. Are you okay?
My friend, shut up. You know I don't want person like your mate for house.
Okay, you don't even want person for house. You can't come to do interview for marriage.
I the first second wife.
Oh yeah, this is out. Fast. No open my eyes see you again. This is out.
I don't keep person like keep for house.
That's the smell. You dey drive Benz, but you no go fit buy perfume. You dey drive Benz, you no go fit buy brush your teeth. You dey drive Benz, you no go fit buy trouser, better trouser, wear better trouser. Idiot. What's your name?
My name is Barnabas Ongwe.
Hey! Oh! My madam does suffer. That we call the answer Amanda Ongwe.
It's a good name.
You call your confide wife. I mean, you call your confide wife.
For information, I came in respect of the notice, the application outside.
I mean, you call your confide wife or you call your confide husband.
I came here to find wife now.
Wife.
Yes.
Wife, they treat God like a shower. Wife. You wear nika. I think it's na Indomie boys with the fire.
Excuse me. What do you mean by that? Do I look like Indomie baby?
Okay, make my mother come marry stammerer like you. Abi?
I will change up for you.
What do you want to change that for? If I slap you now, because you look like this, you be Indomie boy. You be like pa. They like this. You find my madam get body. My mother, she get body where she wise, she get sense. If my mother they talk to you like this, you treat God like a shower. See the slippers where you wear for leg. You be like people who come from Ubuka.
That's all of the be now. If I choose my girl, she should.
Is it a man you be?
Of course.
A man you be?
Woman. Look.
A man you be?
Of course.
You sure?
Ah.
Make I see your finger. You rub cutters. Make I see your finger.
Very neat and sharp.
Mother, they go. Mother, they go.
No, I leave you.
Madam, they go. Madam, go. Madam, go. Madam, says they waka the catwalk. Madam, you're my madam who go the catwalk. Madam, get out.
Beauty! Beauty!
Yes, ma'am.
Come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Why would you invite men to this house and start interviewing them? Are you out of your mind?
No, ma, I just dey help you.
Help? Oh, what do you know about marriage?
Ma, you know, say you these days, you don't dey drink, you know, dey chop because of your condition, everything. I say make I help you find Mr. Right.
Beauty, did I do wrong by accommodating you? Why do you make life difficult for me? Why?
Ma, I'm sorry, but okay, no vex. I'm not going to interfere for your matter again.
You better be, because the next time you interfere into my life, I will call the security to throw you out.
But why you always threaten me with that particular word? And because you know, sir, I not get anywhere to go. You know, good now. I don't say I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, no vex.
I will not warn you again. Stay out of my life. Stay out of my issues. I am frustrated already and you're adding more frustrations to it. What is wrong with you? I will not warn you again. Nonsense.
Your clothes.
I don't understand why a little rat like you will not mind her business. Always interfering into the adult issues. Nonsense.
They shout every time, everything. I shout. I know I just dey help you. Now help I dey help. If I come on for your matter, you go know where you go dey. I just dey help you, make you no be say you fall into wrong track. Make you dey appreciate me sometimes, so maybe everything you go dey shout. Now what?
Why have you chosen to be disturbing yourself? You're not the first person to have a crush on someone. And even fall in love.
I got something for you.
What?
Inside here, there is money. Take. I can cook for you if you want. I can as well order a food tray. After all, the one I ordered the last time, you ate it instead of your boss. I just want you to hear me out. Please?
You know, you are a good person, Lizzy. Well brought up. And you also know how to treat an elder.
Thank you. So, can I go in now?
With all pleasure, after you.
Thank you. See, I know the easiest way to get to your boss is through you. So tell me whatever you want me to do or get for you. I will do it. Even if I don't have it, I will go and look for it.
You know, now you're talking. You were busy fighting all the girls and the whole thing was crazy. And I was like, you know.
So, what should I do now?
I want the same thing you want to give to my boss. You want my boss, so you have to come through me. And then I can consider you the best candidate.
You mean you want to have me on your bed?
Lizzy, come on, you're not a child. You should know better. And listen, my boss listens to me. He believes whatsoever thing that comes out of my mouth. So, make your choice.
You know, when I said I would do anything, I meant it. So I'm in.
Like you're different from them all.
Well, let me show you what I can do.
Now you small the talk.
The stuff that I am not.
Lord have mercy. Oh God of mercy, Jehovah.
What is wrong with you? Why will you allow that cheap slut to come in here? Fine. I'll pay you any amount of money you want. Just make sure you don't open this gate for her.
You can't pay me. You're too boastful and you have so much pride.
I take that as a compliment. Name your price.
I should name my price.
You heard me right.
Well, my price is you. You want my boss, so you have to come through me. And you better make that decision as quick as you can, or I will throw the option to her.
Are you insane? I mean, you want me to descend so low to you? I can see you are joking. But please, do not try. Don't you ever in your miserable life try to crack this kind of joke with me again. Because you will not like the outcome.
I'm not joking. Listen, there are a lot of other girls who are willing to do anything to be with my boss. So it's either you do what I ask you to do, or you bounce.
Why am I still here exchanging words with you? Excuse me.
Don't bring down my gate. All this shakara, small figure, something that needs to do.
Betty! 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 Are you deaf? I've been calling you inside the room and you pretend not to listen. I'm talking to you!
Don't you dare, Collins! What?
Enough of all this nonsense. Enough! Collins, I am not your slave. I am not your slave. And I didn't do anything wrong in marrying you. Respect yourself, oh.
Are you hitting me? Huh?
Okay, you're asking. I will hit you over and over again, Collins! What is it? Get out! Get out! I am tired. I am tired of all this!
Are you sure you're not mad?
The next time you touch me, you see, the next time you hit me, I will show you how mad I am. Yes, I am going crazy. I am going nuts! Collins, respect yourself. I am warning you, respect yourself.
See, Betty, women like you end up dying in silence. Domestic violence is not something you hide from your loved ones.
I know. I am sorry. But the truth here is, I love Collins so much. I was just hoping for a change.
But that change will never come. I hate to say this, but you have to leave that marriage. I know I'm not married. I might not be in a better position to advise you, but what I know is marriage is not something you endure. Marriage is supposed to be blissful. Marriage is supposed to be enjoyable.
That's true. I think I know what to do. I have to seek for a divorce immediately. Collins is getting worse by the day. This is the reason he never supported our friendship. Because he felt you're the one encouraging me. And this is still the reason he stopped me from working. Without a better plan.
I know better now. Thank God that very day I walked into the both of you.
Honestly, Amanda, I am suffering. But at this point, I have gotten to my limits. In fact, I have exceeded my limits. Honestly.
It's okay, Betty. You'll be fine. You see, men are not to be trusted. Who would believe that after all the love and affection shared between Dave and I, that Dave was actually after my money? Who would have thought about that?
Wow. The truth here is, men will stain your white. Well, I just pray you will get the best of them all.
Amen. Oh. I've said amen severally to this prayer point, and I'll continue to say amen, amen, and amen. Let me get you something. Okay. Beauty! Get me a bottle of red wine. Hurry up.
So you now have the guts to talk back at me, right?
Yes, I have the guts, Collins. You have decided to disrespect me in this house. How dare you? How dare you bring in another woman into this house?
Since you have refused to perform your duty as a wife, I am entitled to different women. I have the right to bring any woman I want to bring to this house. It's my house.
Collins, don't stare me. Collins, don't push me. If this is a game, Collins, I will ask you to withdraw. Because when I start mine, you will definitely get tired. Maybe you want me to start bringing in men into this house.
How dare you?
If you're bent on killing me in this house, I promise you, Collins, you will die with me! Don't you dare raise your filthy hands again on me. If you dare try it, Collins, that day will be your end. Nonsense.
What are you doing here?
Samson, please, you need to listen to me. Look,
I have enough money. I can give it to you. Please. Just forget about the other one.
Then you should also forget about marrying my boss.
Samson. You should know I can't forget about that.
Nonsense. Think you have sense inside your head. You forget about the other one. You forget about marrying my boss too.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Hey, please. There used to be a notice here. Husband needed. I can't find it anymore.
Okay.
I'm interested.
The husband needed something.
Yes, I'm interested.
You dey interested?
Yes.
No, now you know if you dey interested now. Now husband didn't talk there, no be aburo. Now responsible people, even if you say the thing they are available, normally like this as you take the rest now, me from gate I go disqualify you. So even me when they this gate like this now, I go just disqualify you. You understand? But the person who put a door come out and you know they're available again.
Hi. So is there any other vacancy?
Vacancy.
Any other job that I can do?
Vacancy.
Anything at all?
Allow me think.
Sorry.
Vacancy. If to say something, you go send me your CV. Go send me your CV, then I'll see what I can do. If they look for a person who go they sweep or person who go they send message, go market, go, or look for a person who they offload a bag of rice if madam don't come back.
Sir, please, can I at least talk to somebody else?
You say?
Can I talk to somebody else?
What's your name?
My name is Michael, sir.
Idiot. Idiot. So I not be human being. You want to talk to somebody else? As I'm standing here now. Okay, now electric post at the front of you.
That is not what I said. I just want to talk to somebody else. Maybe the guy of the house or madam of the house.
And it's kidnapping for your front. Yeah. So you want to talk to a guy of the house? Shut up! They tell you so. Okay, all this is what they talk since. Now what are they do? Okay, are they do? They make noise. You want to talk to somebody else?
Sir, please help me, brother.
I should help your brother.
Yes, I need a job.
That is what I'm saying. Here, no be for you. I even say make I help you. Say bring CV. If you bring CV now, let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do. And you tell me say you want to talk to somebody else. You won't do it by your power. You never even get job. You don't get pride. You never get job yet too. You don't get pride. You want to talk to madam. Wait. You mean say even if
I just need help.
Peter! What's the solve there?
That be this thing. Say you come for this signboard where you keep for you. Tell us say you don't come out. I think they tell me say you want to talk to somebody else.
Come inside. Bring him inside. Make I know what's in the subject.
You never see him face, oh?
They could have come inside.
Yeah, come in. Then you say make I show you somebody else. Make you talk to somebody else. I go show you somebody. You go talk to person. That's it. When they talk to you, I know they get. You want to see somebody. See, now this person now you feel see for this compound.
Thank you, ma, for giving me audience.
I know be bound. The main man dey inside. I'm just normal staff, but I get higher, So how can I help you?
Ma, actually, I saw a vacancy outside of husband needed. I don't know if it's still available.
Okay, so actually, that husband needed no day again. We know they do am again. We don't stop squeezing. Okay, now let's make you come.
Part of it. But I'm a good driver.
Okay.
Yes.
You can drive somebody crazy.
Crazy? I don't know, but I'm just a good driver. Yes.
So I go take you because you dey calm. I like you. you sabi book well, you are smart, you are intelligent. As you talk that actually, I know say you be better. You get olopolo for your head.
Thank you very much, ma. Thank
So
you, ma.
I employ you, my madam go need driver.
Okay.
So take care of my madam well. You understand? You go resume work tomorrow.
I should resume work tomorrow.
It is so sad, say fine boy like you, they get ear problem.
No, ma, I don't have ear problem.
And so why they repeat it at I say start work tomorrow, they repeat it at talk. So we start work tomorrow.
Thank you very much. Madam, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma.
Your salary no go be problem.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I should start tomorrow. Sorry.
You don't get say the fire person the first day when you come.
What's going on here? Who are you?
Good morning, ma.
Put that well when your madam be that now.
Madam. Good morning, ma.
I will not repeat myself. I said, what is going on?
Okay, ma, this is your new driver, Michael. You know, say, I don't like the way they take the drive yourself. They get so many things that happen to you, so I don't want to make you the driver yourself before one thing will happen to you again. So I can't employ a driver for you.
You employed a driver on my behalf without my consent? What is wrong with you? Did I ask you to? Do you even know if he knows how to drive? Are you going to pay him?
No, I don't already qualify him. I interview him, he didn't qualified. Let me qualify him. And for the money matter, I don't say he did capable if he pay him. How much is the money? How much will be when you know go fit pay? I don't say you go fit do him.
You know, it's obvious you're going to be a pain in my neck.
No, I cannot be a pain in your neck. Now me be the angel we go send, we go save you.
Ma, I'm sorry. But if you don't want me, I can leave.
Oga, keep quiet now. We never sort and finish. You see they talk, never reach your turn to talk.
It's fine. I have an appointment. I'm running late. Beauty!
Ma, he's well. He's well, don't worry.
Let me have my bag, please.
Sorry, ma. Drive slowly, yo. Carefully. If I open that gate, I will come out the money for you. Come on, go open gate. John. Go open gate.
I don't know what you're doing here. If you don't leave, I'll call the security on you. And I don't have time to listen to your nonsense. Leave or I'll call the security on you. And I don't have time to listen to your rubbish.
I'm sorry. Please. Listen to me.
There is nothing to listen to. I've told you what to do and you don't want to do it, right? I don't have time to listen to whatsoever thing that is coming out from your mouth. And let me promise you, you're not coming an inch close to my boss. That's a promise.
And what if I tell you that your request has been accepted?
Are you sure?
Of course.
That's more like it.
Let's go in there so I can show you what I know how to do best and how I'm going to treat your boss.
After you, please. Yeah.
So what next?
Well, once my boss is back, you'll be the first to know.
I trust you.
You don't have anything to worry about.
Do not allow that girl to come in here again.
You have nothing to worry about. The next time I see her here, I'll personally release my dog on her.
For this, you have said, I'm going to send some money into your account.
Okay.
Alright. Put in your details.
My details.
John.
I have it. Thank you. My number one.
Alright, I got to go.
Yeah, let me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Welcome.
Thank you. Take the bag inside. I'm exhausted. Yes? What is it?
I'll wait for you now.
Waiting for what?
Update. You never tell me whether the guy drives you well or he not drive you well.
Wait, I don't get it. You didn't interview him before you asked him to drive me?
Oh, to say thank you for some people they had. Wow.
Are you talking to me?
No, but you check out what you do no good now. And you no complain, say you need driver. And I mean, with my church man employ driver for you because of your condition. You are going through a lot. Mentally, emotionally, you are going through heartbreak. Let me just say make I employ driver. Now you use a sweet you don't want to thank me. No now.
Okay, Madam Beauty. Thank you very much. He drives well.
You're welcome.
So because I've decided to keep you quiet, you have chosen to misbehave and do whatever that pleases you, right? Where is my breakfast? In fact, when last did you prepare anything, food in this house? In fact, let me tell you, let me be sincere with you, I'm tired of this bullshit!
Collins, I want a divorce.
Did I hear you?
You heard me. Here you go.
Are you being serious?
Don't you dare, or you have the law to face.
Now tell me, what has that your useless and classless friend done to your brain? Do you realize that she's still single?
Oh yes, but at least it's better than living with a monster like you. If you know what is good for you, Collins, sign these divorce papers.
Listen to me. Where are you? I've seen what you have done. You don't have a relationship. You don't want your friend to remain married.
Of course I want my girlfriend to get married again. But not to your kind. To a responsible man. To a man who would love and respect her.
You have few years to menopause. Obviously, how is it easy for you to find such a man? Let me tell you, If anything happens to my marriage, I will hold you responsible for it. Honestly, I will not spare you.
If you valued your marriage, you wouldn't have turned your wife into a punching bag.
My marriage, my wife, my business, not yours.
You know, it's obvious you need help.
Oh, really?
Get the hell out of my house or I call the estate security on you now.
You started this. I promise you, you will not like the ending.
Get out! Lunatic. Fool.
Talking to me. Why do you have to go to my friend's place to threaten her? If you love me that so much, Collins, will you be beating me all the time?
If you don't get off my back, you will see what I will do to you. I know you're looking for somebody to kill you. Definitely, it will not be me.
Go ahead. Are you tired of beating me? Go ahead and beat me, Collins. Yes, man up! Face me, you coward! Beat me!
Don't invite the devil inside me, because if you do...
Collins, I want to invite that devil. Beat me! Yes! Beat me, Collins! I want you to beat me! Rubbish! Go ahead! Are you tired? I am your back! Punch me! Go ahead and punch me!
You know the reason why I'm looking at you. And keep me quiet.
Collins, don't keep quiet though! Come and beat me! Come back here, Collins!
You know what? Let me call you back. Jesus.
Ma, are you okay?
I'm not fine. I have to be in too many places at the same time. I don't know how to go about it and I don't want to lose this opportunity.
I still do not understand, ma.
I have 2 presentations to make tomorrow at the same time. I don't have the power to shift the time. If I go late, it will not be right because we have other competitors.
That's not a problem. If the 2 does not require your physical presence, just go for the other. I can handle the other one.
That reminds me. How were you able to draft the templates yesterday? Obviously, you're well learned.
Yes, I am. Actually, I studied tech-related course, but I am good at business development strategies as well.
That's impressive. Anyways, I'll brief you on our products we want to send to them, the HRO software. You get a proposal and I'll send you previous drafts. Okay?
Alright. Let me just get the details of the company and the HRO company as well.
Alright.
This is one of the proposals I came up with. Please, go through it. If there is any correction, I can do editing before tomorrow's presentation.
Let me see. Give me a bit. Oh my goodness. This is wonderful. Explicit and straightforward. Despite the fact that you don't know much about our products and services, you were able to come up with this? I'm very impressed.
Thank you. Your company is one of the leading HR company we have. I made my research to come up with something of standard.
Interesting. You know what? I think you need another job. You are this knowledgeable and you are a driver. I'll get you a decent job.
Oh, thank you very much, ma. Thank you, ma.
It's okay. All we need is a cover letter that is supposed to be printed on our letterhead. I'll get that across to you.
Alright. Thank you, ma.
It's okay.
Please just go through it. If there is any correction, I will edit it.
I will, and I'll try to see how I can convince them to make them work with us.
Thank you, ma. Thank you very much.
It's okay. You can go.
Alright. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Beauty, this Oga driver, I be driving work the guy they do. I be getting the other thing way they do. I be it don't become Oga what they serve.
So what's he gonna pay you?
Why you dress like this?
He dress like that because now neat man in be. You know be dirty man like you. We get body order. He dey pay you. He dey pay you say they dress. Okay, one make as he be driver, make it the dress like you. We where they cost, we never wash your uniform since I know you. What's be your problem then, huh? What's be your problem? Look at that. You see that man, that guy. He go school. He go school where no be when no cross school gate. He enter school, sit down for class, learn where. You understand? I not say you know. Now make it a jealous you.
So Beauty, the sin where I commit now. And to come here, I can't ask you a question.
The question where you ask me no make sense. If they ask the question based on say jealousy won't kill you.
You know, sir, I didn't say no be say because of one thing. Me and you for don't tumble this madam house. If you go come back, you don't go notice
it's
this
not
house.
the one thing. If you say that me employ you, I for don't sack you, tete. Because you don't look like a gate man.
Beauty, I feel born you.
Why you never marry? Okay, go do your work. One person where you go call the gossip with. Go and do your work, Joe. Not your level. Not for your level and gossip with idiot.
I blame who send you go kitchen. I blame who send you go kitchen because I didn't say madam get sense. If you look say you be kindergarten, but they send you go kitchen, make you go there, do food for me to eat and make you they talk to me anyhow. No problem.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, small madam. Good morning, ma.
Wow, you look good for our presentation today.
Yes. It's part of what the judges will check, you know.
Of course. Indeed, you look good.
Thank you, ma.
It's not Monday. I would have named it our Men's Crush Monday.
Thank you, ma.
But I think I use the first snap on that. You look very beautiful.
Beauty. Thank you very much. For you to say this, that means I'm looking good.
Let me have my bag. You talk too much. Michael, let's go. We're running late. This is good news. I'm so excited. I mean, we got 2 jobs at the same time. All thanks to you.
Ma, I did nothing extraordinary. The company already had a good will, and other companies are willing and ready to work with your company.
All the same, you went there without knowing what to say. Thank you. You know what? For this, I am going to treat us to a good dinner, to a very nice dinner.
That would be lovely, ma.
Who be this our important guest when they set all these tables for?
Can you mind your business and serve? Thank you.
You're not good to waste food.
Good evening, ma. Good evening, small madam.
Good evening.
You're right here on time. Grab a seat.
Thank you, ma.
Okay, now you would have set them for. Now you.
Beauty, what is wrong with you? Oh, you don't want to eat?
I go eat, ma. I will eat. Thank you, ma. Ma, we never pray. Make everybody just hold on. No, brother, come make a pray. I'm not going to lead the prayer. Okay. Okay. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Father Lord, let us eat this food and be healthy. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Any witches and wizards where they plan evil for us.
Beauty. Let's eat. You can bind and cast the witches later.
Okay, ma.
The food is nice.
Thank you. No thanks to Beauty.
Thank you.
Hope you're enjoying it.
Yes,
Yes. Please let me call you back. What do you think you're doing?
Exactly what you're saying. Or have you suddenly gone blind? I am leaving Collins, and make sure you sign that divorce paper. Don't you dare. Don't try it, Collins! Unless you want to spend the rest of your miserable life in jail. Nonsense.
It's okay, my love. Look, I think you need a vacation or a break, just for a fresh start.
I understand. But I never wanted us to end up like this. I wish I was more careful before I said yes. See, Amanda, I saw all the signs. Yes, I did, but the love I had for him couldn't let me think.
Men like Collins are beasts. They will never change. You might end up dying trying to stay with him.
It's fine, but it hurts.
I know. See, Betty, I know you have a place to stay, but do you mind staying in my house for a while?
I would have loved to, but I know Collins very well. He would definitely come here to make troubles. So for now, I think I should just go to a place where he cannot locate me.
It's fine. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
What is all this? No, I'm asking you, what is all this? You keep on telling me, he will be back, he will be back. Up till now, he's not back. I was told he relocated out of the country. So you have been lying to me.
Lizzy, if you don't trust me, then what are you doing here? I told you he's running a project. And besides, he didn't even travel out. He came back last week. I didn't call you because he left in a hurry.
Wait, do you expect me to believe that?
At this point, Lizzy, believe whatsoever thing you want to believe. I'm only helping you, and you're shouting. On top of all this, you're ranting. I still told him you're very worried about him.
But you didn't tell me.
How can I tell you you walked into this house ranting and shouting like a mad woman?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry I shouted.
You should.
I was just eager to see him.
You should be calming yourself down. You shouldn't be just shouting as if I know what I'm doing.
Don't worry.
I know what I'm doing for you.
You know what? Don't worry. I will give you some sugar.
Sugar cake. Sugar cake. She know how we do it. Huh?
Yeah?
Sugar. Fire. Yeah. Sugar cake.
This bastard is calling me again.
Hello, can we talk?
We have nothing to talk about, Collins. Just sign the divorce papers.
I know you have pride, but will you drop all this then and let's talk like two matured people?
You're the one who needs maturity, not me. Just sign the divorce papers.
period. Get off my phone. Nonsense. Imagine. He still have the guts to talk rubbish. I don't blame him.
Should I say I lost someone precious? No, I don't think so. Because women of nowadays are not trustworthy. She's supposed to be submissive to me as a wife and not the other way around. She's not supposed to have pride or feel sort of right over me or whatever. I've tried for us to be reasonable, but she have decided to be unreasonable. I will also be unreasonable. After all, there are a lot of women who want to end up their life with me. Why am I even bothering myself over this woman that doesn't care? They don't want to be responsible. I'm trying to see her to be responsible.
I'm heading out. My boss sent for me.
I'm worried. When is he coming back?
You know how these projects can be now. And it's a very big project. He's a very busy person.
Okay, fine. Can you just give me his address so at least I can pay him a surprise visit?
No. I don't even know that. I can only communicate and take instructions from him through phone call.
It's fine. It's just that I'm eager to meet with him.
I know you are. Well, let me do my job. See, this whole thing, I don't have time for it now. I have to leave because he's waiting for me.
Alright, I'll come back.
It's alright, after you.
Ma, are you okay?
Yes, I'm just bored. I wish there was something I could do to have fun. I remember in those days when you see kids running around the compound. It was fun. Adulthood is indeed very boring.
I know, right? But we can still do something like that. Because I don't like the way you're looking, doll.
Something like what?
Good morning, ma. Your breakfast not ready.
Where's Michael?
No, I said good morning, ma. Your breakfast not ready. Never answer me.
I don't want breakfast. I'll skip. Where's Michael?
Outside.
Michael? Michael!
The Lord has done it finally. Finally. The Lord has done it finally. 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 The Lord has done it finally. Finally. Let's go plan wedding like this now. Plan a should be bridesmaid, brother tree to catch fire. But I don't know why una two no one tell each other say una like each other. Una just they hide and they do small children love me, I love you. Hide them, I hide them. No tell anybody. But one day you go expose. Okay. That's my plan. Don't work. And you know what? Chop your breakfast. You don't skip them. Make I help you. Take them. The Lord has done it finally. Hey. Madam.
Michael!
Na me you call, no be Michael. Na me.
Oh God, I forgot why I called you.
You don't reach like that.
Just go, please. Go.
No worry, make I go call the Michael for you.
My goodness. What is wrong with me? What's going on? So finally he signed the divorce papers.
Yes, he did. And I am so happy that finally we are separated now.
That's good news. At least nothing is holding you back.
Exactly.
These men can be something else.
Well, despite the fact that I left a terrible reunion, I still believe that there are good men out there.
Of course there are good men out there. I already found one.
Wow. Please tell me, I'm all ears.
It's nothing much. It's my driver. The one Beauty hired on my behalf.
Talking about Beauty, I haven't seen her for a while. Where is she?
She should be somewhere around the house.
Okay, so now, tell me about the guy.
Well, I've taken my time to watch him closely. He seems like a very cool person. He's hardworking. He has a nice personality. He has helped me with lots of work. I offered to give him a job. He said he doesn't want that. He wants to be independent when he leaves the driving job.
You sound so worried about him. What are you not telling me?
Nothing.
So, why don't you make the move? I mean, tell him you like him.
You think it's a good idea?
Of course it is. If you don't shoot your shot, someone else will. So you have to.
Oh, please. I'll take my time.
Okay, if you say so.
What should I do now? Should I follow Betty's advice? I really like this guy. He has always been on the quiet side ever since he started working here. But the problem is, if I don't get close to him, I will not know who he really is. How am I going to do this now?
You sent for me. You were with your friends, so I did not want to disturb you. I had to go and come back.
This is really difficult for me. That's fine. I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright, ma. Good night.
Alright. Thank you. I can't hide my feelings anymore. We are mature people. We should be able to reason things together. You've been of great help to me. You've been supporting me in all ramifications. I like your person. You're calm, you're reserved, you're intelligent. I like you.
The feeling is mutual. On this note, I humbly request that you be my woman.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, I've had this feeling since we met.
Are you serious? Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't know, I'm just nervous.
I've loved you, like, from the first time I saw you. I don't know how it will look like asking my madam out.
It's okay. Let's go in. Oh God, I'm so happy. Thank you for making my day wonderful.
You're welcome. I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright. Have a good night rest.
You too.
Hug. Good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Nah, How they pay me, I see you and Michael.
Well, we found love and we're now together. What you saw, it's true and real.
Ma, I'm telling you, that Michael is very good for you. I will not lie. He's very, very good for you. You don't be all these godly guys when they come your way, they find what they go do. No, this Michael is a good man and he mature, he's smart. He get a lot. I'm telling you.
So, Beauty, it's obvious you figured out everything, right? Anyways, exhausted. I want to go and rest.
Okay, ma. Alright, ma. Good night, ma. Go and rest, ma. Ciao. Aww. So they shy. They give you opportunity, they shy.
So, that is my story. I had multiple of heartbreaks. I was married before, but I lost her during childbirth.
Oh my God.
She died when she was trying to give birth to our first child.
Jesus.
3 years after, I decided to start another family. But it has not been easy. I keep meeting cheats, liars, gold diggers. But then I said, okay, let me disguise and see if I will find true love. That was when I saw the advert, Husband Wanted. It was weird, but I really needed to know what was going on. That was when I met Beauty. I just needed to know if the person in question is worth it.
Our stories are alike. But thank God, love found us.
This means a lot to me. Just tell me what you want and I will do it for you.
All I want is you and to have you.
Let's take it through. Come.
You sure?
My boss is on you.
I'm happy to hear that.
You should be. So far, just keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. No, goodness.
Are you sure it's all mine now?
Oh, yeah.
What? What is going on here?
No, nothing.
Samson. So this is what you do? Hey, why will you just barge in like that? Will you shut that gossip you call him mouth, you swine? Do you know this guy has been messing with our brains all this while?
What are you saying? Get the hell out of this room.
Yes. The same way he is sleeping with you. It's the same way he has been sleeping with me.
It's a lie.
What?
It's a lie.
Yes.
It's just a lie.
I believe he has been deceiving you with, I'm going to talk to the boss about you. The boss is going to get married to you. I'll tell my boss, you'll be my boss's wife, and so on.
You are my boss's wife.
I can't believe this. So this is what you have been doing, right?
Wait.
This is what you have been doing.
Let me explain.
Explain what? So
wait. I can explain.
What?
Hey! Oh God! But no, I will explain myself.
Goodness.
Yeah.
How were you able to hide all this just to find love?
It was not easy though. But it's worth all the struggle. Because I met a real one.
This is beautiful. This is a whole lot.
This is one of my properties. Yeah. And did I tell you that I'm the CEO of Star King's Energy?
Are you serious? Do you know I have been looking for the MD? The HRO is always telling me he's not around. So you're the MD?
Yes, I am. Well, this is the MD, right in your arms 247. Come, let's go inside. I have more things to show you.
Okay.
I know you like white.
You thought you are smart, right? You will pay for every penny.
Samson.
Boss.
What sort of embarrassment is this? Did you hear the story they just narrated?
Boss, I am sorry. But these girls, as you're seeing them, they are very desperate. None of them deserves you. Boss, you deserve something more special than this. Eh? And besides, I just wanted to play the first one on them.
And who do you think you are? To decide if we are good for your boss or not.
Samson, despite the fact that this house was newly built, I have CCTV installed. Unknown to you and other staffs, some of these sockets you're seeing are all cameras. And you too, you think sleeping with my PA will give you access to me? Well, I went in search of a better person because of girls like you. And I want you to leave my house now before I call the security.
Leave. Boss, these people, don't let them take me.
Now listen to me, Samson. You see this minute? You are leaving my house and don't bother coming back.
Leave now. Leave.
Samson, I said go with them. You are a disgrace.
Boss, don't let these people.
Do you want to get me mad? Samson, do you want to get me mad?
Boss. I have never
what you have caused, Abby? You see what you have caused, eh? I deal with you. Oh yeah.
Wait, boss!
You know, it's pathetic how some trusted staffs betray your trust.
Samson is one devilish being. Babe. But it's fine. It's okay. Please, sit. Okay.
Hey! Wait! Hey! Oh!
You used me.
Use you what?
You
I did not use anyone.
I go for you. I give you my
money. Right!
You actually think we are not worthy of your boss, eh? And you played the first one on me.
I did not think it was slow motion. Hey! Hey! Wait!
If not for desperation, why will you allow a pig? You pig like you to have something to do with me. Shut up! You are a pig! You are a pig! You are not for nothing! You are a pig! You are a pig! This, your bra. It's stinky. Oh, poor girl. You better look for a corner and dress properly. Look at you. Your bra is still in your hand. Oh my God. You practically look like a mad woman. Yes. This is not the right time to apportion blames. Do you get it? Wait. I tried to tell you that you did not realize what this guy did to us. He just used and dumped us. Even with all your pride and money. Let me tell you. For the fact that we have shared the same man does not make us to be in the same class. You are very classless. In case you don't know, you are very, very classless. And let me tell you, as far as this situation is concerned, we share the same fate. I do not have any fate to share with us flippant tweet like you. I'm off. Classless big nyash. Look at her. Hey. Just look at me. Huh? See what this guy did to me. I will deal with him.
My love, I'm really sorry about what happened a few minutes ago.
It's fine. At least this explains why your short, disguised trip was actually needed. Imagine you fell victim for those girls.
Now you understand what I'm saying. Despite the fact that he was trying to play fast one on them, one would have outsmarted him and he will introduce her to me.
They are beautiful girls. but very classless with no brains.
You can say that again. But I will not let them spoil this beautiful moment. Please come, let me show you around. Come.
Okay.
They insult your destiny helper. See you now, see as you dey. They insult your destiny helper. Your life there outside just to watch you, they observe you as they misplace your life. They insult Oga Mike. If you know who Oga Mike be, if you know who Oga Mike will be, you go to cry.
You know me now.
Sabi I know me now. You get bastard money. Don't be whining. Even get money past madam. They insult her.
No wonder. No wonder. Because the kind English where this guy they blow for him mouth. No be person we never make money go fit speak that
now,
English.
he gets money.
See what I don't control myself.
They insult. Not be everybody where you see you go they insult. You don't be everybody you see be your mate. Some people just they are unlucky to observe. They know who they go. They go use do example. Who they go use pamper your life, carve your life out of poverty, but your bad character go make you. They not go see you.
Hell,
make I tell you. He just they work for madam because in they find good wife, and madam too they find good husband. Now God just join two of them together like this. For money, you get money. Madam get money. He just they find loyal person to marry. See, mess up, mess up.
See, man, tell you something. If you go for a place where we don't know ourselves like this, anybody where you meet for a strange land, now your brother or now your sister.
Now your brother.
And as me and you there now my sister now you be like this. Now my sister now you be like this.
So where the talk with the go now?
Yeah, if you just help me beg and tell us make you forgive me. Say I dey sorry. Say sometimes my village people go just enter my body and go come begin to talk anyhow. Tell us even if now for shoemaker. I feel they even the polishing shoe for them. I feel they carry back. Anything
you know say you no go ever make money for your life again.
How?
You know why? Because you get some people will say poverty don't cover their brain. No matter what thing they think. Even if they think how they make money, the money what they think that they make now within that their poverty level.
Yes. That's
you understand?
Some people.
So now you will be say you don't already find grace, you don't already find something. They see riches like this. You see they pray. Make your employee make it a clean shoe. You see where your own mentality they go. Just the clean shoe. But they pay you how much? You don't even pray, make God there, butter your own bread, make you just stay on your own. You know, pray, make you be assistant like PA. You understand? You know, now make it a clean shoe be your own.
Beg, I don't get choice.
It is well.
In Jesus' name.
It's your soul.
Amen.
Fear.
Fear what?
So what do you want again now?
Just beg them for me. The thing be say, you see,
as you don't talk now, why you still standing there looking?
My spirit they tell me say you never hear this man tell you now.
See, not because say me and you there they talk. You don't go call remember say we get level. I will go your post. You understand? Just say remember say me and you be the same level. Not because I call you not to talk. Go your post. Fast!
They work for a year before they employ you.
Fast! Like fast!
The first kid for this company, I may open them for you.
If I talk them again, I'm not like repeat. If I talk them again, I will sack you. Madam, okay. See, I read this song so that for the breeze and the cooler. So that's all for the breeze and relax, have fun, cool your body.
Thank you, small madam.
You be small madam, Now you be the organ now. I know be small madam again. You be my organ, you be my madam. So
you know we owe Beauty One for giving you a job in the first place.
Yeah, for that advert too.
Yes. God used her to join our union together.
Can say that again?
We'll be forever grateful to you.
No, Allah, nothing do you. You don't okay, you're too fresh. You deserve them. Okay, but let I go do it now they do. Yeah? When I need like pepper soup, chicken, anything, I go just enter kitchen, run and pop. Understand? Because of you. Mike.
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, no Allah. Well done, ma. Alright. Well done.
Small madam.
My Oga.
Small madam, the madam. You know, I was thinking, why don't we adopt her and give her a better life?
I have that in mind. Let's see how it goes.
Okay. Come here.